quick edits are the way through which I'd be able to cover more and more and more girls. I'd be able to take them out from the loop, right? If I talk about higher edits I can give limited, right? So this is why, that's why I have said like, and you all don't get jealous to each other. This is why I have said edits are not love. Don't consider it as love, right? So that you don't fight, ladies, you don't get jealous to each other, right? And love, make emotional. Am I physical with any of you? Tell me. So what's the cheating on? Nothing, nothing. You all also don't have knowledge about true love, deep love. So you know what, if I would have been a very rich guy, I would have been given my love to every single one of you free of cost. Yes, free of cost, by hiring editors, by my own pocket, and all that. Why do you want edits? Don't take edits. Just love me, and I love you too. Make stabilize a deep connection, emotional connection with me. Love me, and I'll able to find out my Apsara. Neither I want money, and nor you want edits. Don't want edits. Don't. Just love me, and I know you will not do it, right, girls? Why girls are like this? Nature has made them like this, but still. So if I would have been a girl, I would have been able to find out one boy. Till now, I could have found out, because we boys are really awesome. Girls will be girls, women. So these are the things. And if I talk about higher edits, so 20 I told you, right? 20 randomly I don't want to give to 20 girls randomly. You know why? Because what's the, I'll have to make the interest of the show, so that it all will be spread out more, and to the world, and I'll be able to find out much. So what I want, all right, 10 girls I'll give them quick edits every single day, free of cost, to maintain the interest of the show. After a week, after every week, I'll announce the winner of the week, right? It will be really awesome. And other 10 girls will be randomly, right? I'll give them free edits randomly. So randomly there will be 10 girls would be getting, right? And after these 20 girls, whoever will get the edit will have to pay $1. If not $1, can donate just one single cent, but will have to. I also don't want to take money from any girl, I swear. But this is the only option what I have, and this is the only option what you have. And what's the hesitation? Tell me. Hesitation is just a fucking lie. It's a wall where scammers hide their creep nature, right? There is no hesitation. Till now, earlier you could say it was hesitation more than anything, but till now, there is no hesitation, baby. No one, no. Everyone knows everything and all that, right? So these are the things. And if I talk about higher edits, I'll have to give it randomly too. I'll have to give it randomly too, right? I mean, you know what? I fucking don't have that much time. I'll like I'll give this work to editors. They'll make dragons for me, for you. Dragons, dogs, cats, eagles, whatever your real life pets you have, you can demand about the pet or anything, right? I'll make virtual pet and will send in your. You know how much time does it take to make a dragon or any other pet, a unicorn or anything, huh? If it is a professional, it will take her like almost 1 week, more than a week. If it's not professional, it will take them 1 month or more than it. If it's a professional and very fast and very experienced person, it will take 6 to 7 hours. Actually, one day, proper one day, but 24 hours. But if very, 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 very fast, I think maybe there will be 4, 6 hours, at least 6, 5 hours. And I don't know. If I talk about me, it will take 2 hours, and it will take. It will also take me some hours, right? If I'll make it very fast, right? It's not about money, baby. Or you tell me what? I'm refusing every single girl for money and all, right? and giving them opportunity one by one and all. Yeah, let me give you an example, a scenario. If I would have been wanting money like this way, then you know what I would have been done. No one could be that much fool as you are considering. No one could be that much stupid as you all consider me. You know what I could have been done? I could have been added some girls, unknown girls. Yes, girls whom I don't follow, girls, not mutual girls, friend girls, and all that, and very new whom you also don't know, I also don't know, and all that, and could have loved them and could have asked them money, and they could have given me a lot of money to their lover, right? If not much, then less, but still it could have been like $1,000, 2,000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $500, $1,000 US, 2,000, 1,500 US, whatever it could be, right. I could have asked them like this, like I'm your lover and all that, right? But why I'm not doing it, right? So these are the not things I have maintained the like interest to every single one of you here, and show is just a way to speed all of these fucking thing, so that I'll be able to get my Apsara. I'm 100% sure, 99.99% sure that my Apsara is listening me right now. There is now one more challenge with me, is that if someone is my Apsara, 100% confirm someone is my Apsara, and she is very rich, very famous, like Selena Gomez, Kylie, and all, right? How would be I able to get in touch with her right now? Tell me. If I talk about future, is in upcoming time, I'll be really famous and richer with 100% surety. But for now, how would I like? Tell me, how would I get in touch with them? Tell me. Hmm? If they are my Apsara, only then. If they are not my Apsara, then I fucking don't care. Everyone is equal for me, whether it's celebrity or common girl, right? Even if they are my Apsara, only then, or else no. Do they have four pushes? Huh? I am a god, and all humans are say equal for me. So this is the thing, and by the way, they are chasing me. I am not chasing them. So my Apsara could be like this, and so how would be I able to get in touch with her if I'm is like very famous and rich already, right? Right. So through this way, through my first main concept, I'd be able to find her out, because I'd be able to become so much rich, so much and all, and through all of these way too. Yes, from a certain point, through all of these way too, even one person club can earn trillions of money. One person club where all VIP will be there, all celebrity, businessmen, women, singers, actors, businessmen, women, and all who got more than 20 million followers and very rich and all that. I mean, so one person club will be really amazing, right? And all. So yeah, these are the things. Hmm. My first main concept, I'm 100% sure through my first main concept I'd be able to find her out, because then I'd become so much rich and famous. Once my first main concept passed and I launched, actually it's already passed. If I launched it in the market, then कहाँ था मैं भूल गया, रिकॉर्डिंग से पोस्ट कर दिया था. So yes, so these are the things, and I'm in common girls. By the way, my Apsara is so much rich and famous already, but I'm not sure she is rich and famous right now, or she will become so much famous and rich when I will come to her life and will launch my first main concept and will make her a lot of rich and really famous. I swear to God, I'm fucking not lying, and I'm not like giving you probability. I'm giving you confirmation, 100% surety, with my first main concept. Inshallah Taala, I will rule the whole world. Yes, I will take Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all other social media platform under me. If you are going to laugh, go laugh, stupids. So this is the only truth. Didn't you see my belief? Huh? Didn't you see how persistent, consistent I am? Didn't you see how strong I am? Didn't you see how capable of I am? Didn't you see? I'm a fucking god. Yes, my Bhagwan. Yes. So yes, these are the things, and as my first main concept is really amazing. By the way, whoever interested in my first main concept and want to join me as partner, then they can use this symbol, this symbol with a crown, infinity symbol with crown, infinity symbol with crown. Okay. So and there were a girl. I mean, so if I talk, listen, I'm not pointing out Selena or Kylie here. If I'm talking those shit, no. Selena is a good lady. Alright, baby Selena, I will add you, not an issue. But you know what's the point remain? Those girls you all are coming on, those stars and girls whom I removed that day, right? And I also told that there were some good girls and all. You are one of them, and I some and let's see. I'll add you, or maybe let's see. Okay. So if I Kylie, yes, Kylie just shit, fucking shit. Yes, कायली की भाड़ में जाए, उसको मैं कुछ बोलना, आई डोंट इवन वांट टू से any single word to Kylie. No. Yes, this much she doesn't have value in my life. I don't even want to hate her. I mean, it's like very common for me, and it's like nothing. I mean, why I do waste my time, and I mean, from internally, I don't even want to say any bad words to her. And so, all right, leave that shit out. And these are the things, right? I'm repeating once again, girls. If I wanting love, if I had wanting money like this way, I could have loved unknown girls, and after some week, after some days, 2 3 days, 1 week, 7 8 days, 9 10 11 12, whatever, right? After some days, after some time, I could have asked them money, right? And all, but no, I didn't. Like, so this is the way. And you know what? If even if I would have been a very rich guy, how would I been able to find out my Apsara? Tell me, how would I be? Through money? Through money? How? Alright, let's suppose I'm a fucking richest man, right? I'm the fucking most richest man in the world, right? And how will I find her then? By money. I'll go door to door. I'll send my workers. I'll hire some workers to find Apsara out, and will send them. Just go, babies, go. Just find your Apsara out. Just find my queen and all that, and they'll go to door and all. And then who is the fucking Apsara? Huh? Then there will be so many problems, so many fucking scammers, girls, fake girls, and old girls will come and will say, yes, I am Apsara. I mean, so whatever the quality, if I'll reveal that this type of quality Apsara I have, every girl will become like this and all that. Blah, 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 blah. So obviously, I'd be not able to find out my Apsara like this way, right? Right? Then I'd be having more problem. Right now, I'm not the richest man in the world, and I mean, I'm not rich and all that, so not for me. Then it's easy for me. But there are also scammers. Scammers are mother chode, will be everywhere, right? So these fucking shit. So these are the things here, right? So how would I be able to find out my, if I'm I'd be like, right, really rich? How I wouldn't be rich. I wouldn't be able to find out my friend like this. So there's just one fucking way. Even if I had been, if even if I would so much rich, still I wouldn't have one. But the way what I would have, or what the way what I have right now, is that emotional connection, right? I can tell the way that this girl is my Apsara by observing the way she loves me. Yes, this is why I'm telling you make emotional connection with me, right? So yeah, so these are the things I'd be able to find out my Apsara and all that. Why you won't edit? Don't want edits. Still, you all would be more wanting it, or else how would you make a connection with me, right? Stupid. Fucking shit. Listen, love is not getting attention and all. Uh, I do measure love in private. Yes, mainly I prefer loving in private. And I I hate girls who wants attention, who love for attention. Not hate. I mean, I don't like. I mean, these are like no. Love should be personal. Love should be love. If it's personal, then it's love. If it's public, it's not fucking love. It's mine. Because people will never let you live your happy life. They get jealous to you. They'll make stupidity. They'll speed stupidity about you and all. Listen, I am a fucking man who can do anything. Right now, I am not first. I am finding out my answer. This mind can do anything, but it is blowing up. Seems like someone is beating my head with hammer every fucking day. When I wake up, my mind gets fucked up, and I start to find out my Apsara everywhere to skip the pain. Apsara, wherever you are, you should come to me very faster, dear. Sweetheart, you should go. You must fast. You fucking must. You must come to me very faster. You are fucking wasting my time. In this time, I could have changed the whole fucking world. So yes, I'm going to give you 10 girls edits and all that free quick edits, and will make a very amazing show, real show. All are connected, all movie, all, and I'm just making more and more ways, and I'm sending it all on YouTube too, so that I can become viral and famous and all that, right? But I have some other ways, like I can get 1000, 2000 subscribers right now if I want, but I'm not doing it because I'm also focusing on entertainment, because entertainment is the way which divert my mind, and I like. So yeah, these are the things. So these are everything I have just connected here, mixed up here, everything. My voice could be up and down. You may see, you may listen the background music. Astagfirullah. Background voice, right? So yeah, right now I'm hire someone somewhere, right? Obviously, right? So yeah, I fucking don't have time in my regular life. I'm right. So these are the things I'm telling you all again and again and again and again. So this is the only way. Apart from donation, I'd not be able to. And donation is for you, right? We'll give you make more and more pets, and we'll give you send it to your video through, right? And yeah, you are the mother of dragon, you are the father of dragon, and all, right? So donation is like this way. So I will I will like give you some pets, right? Right. So your editor guy is making so very new. I mean, uh, so much pets like dragons, dogs, rabbits, whatever you like, right? It will become every day. I'm thinking to give 10 to 20 new pets, royal pets, but I fucking don't have that much. I don't have that much time, and I can't even make alone 10 pets every single day. I cannot, right? So yes, 5 to 10 pets I cannot make, right? So I'll have to hire more editors, right? This work I will like will hire more and more editors, and they'll make more and more pets for you all. And this will be really amazing. You know how much videos I have of you all and all that. The real seducing, real love, real waiting for love, wait for love, real wait for someone, real wait, love, anger, and all very non-scripted things and all. Very so much I have saved, and I fucking don't have time to save everything and record everything. Right? This is fucking awesome. This has become a fucking movie. This has become a fucking web series. Really awesome. Like nothing in this world like this, right? So this mess up, I have just mixed it up. The whole thing I have just managed and like showing you like this. So yeah, this I have made the whole process, the whole journey very interesting. Since the first day, I obviously I knew it that I'll have to do it all. How would you find out one person in the world? Can you suggest me a way? Can you tell me a way? Tell me, girls, didn't I make the best way? Or can you tell me the best way, which through which way I'd be able to find out one person? And what would have you been done if you would have been in my place? Maybe you would have been get lost. You would have been like refused to find her and all that, and could be anything, right? हार जाते तुम सब, हार मान जाते and all, right? तुम्हारी गांड फट के चार हो जाती. So these are the things, and I have some works. Yeah, I'm going to like fix up my company. I am the CEO of Orbit Finco Private Limited. My company go drone, and if you don't know the whole thing, you may ask to other girls earlier all this. So yeah, within these few months, I'm going to stabilize my opening, my restarting my company again. Orbit Finco Private Limited for my regular life, for my regular expenses and all that. Right, within these 2-3 months, I'm going to do it. Right, so I have so many work and all. So this is why I fucking don't have time. Then how will I make pets and all, right? So these are the things I have done a lot for all of you, right? I have worked 24 hours, 20 hours, 26 hours every single day for you all, and now it has become really famous. One day or another day I will become so much famous, and I don't want to be famous. I mean, I want and I don't want. I mean, it will be happen automatically. Automatically it will be happen, right? So these are the things. Oh wow. If I talk about like success and all that, I swear to God, my success is like apocalypse. It will definitely come. कयामत की तरह है मेरा समय, आएगा जरूर बच्चों. So these are the things and all that. My mind is a garden where ideas grows, right? So yeah, these are the things. If someone plucked one flower, doesn't mean the garden will be empty. Fucking thief. Mark Zuckerberg, you are listening me, stupid? Take my dick in your mouth. Fucking bitch. You little rat. You bastard. So, if you wouldn't have been stolen my threats and would have become my partner, I could have been able to save so many people and would have been able to find out my fucking Apsara. Stop it. So yeah, these are the things, girls. So, and don't, what's the hesitation? No hesitation. I'm going to give you book, right? You are paying me for book. So whoever interested, use book symbol, and this card symbol, actually don't use book. I would not consider it, right? No, I will not consider it. Some girls like reading book and all. No, I will not consider it. I will only consider the card symbol, as quick edits, right? And when the person will donate, they will get higher edits. In higher edits, they will also have whatever they want, they can donate. Same like quick edits, right? Yes, they can donate less too. In quick edits they can, and in higher edits they can donate reasonable, and they can get another day too. if they'll donate, I'll give them another day, right, and all. And I'll give them some free edits too, right, because they are not a scammer, they are good and all. And these all the things are for you all, right. I'll also give you book. Just write it down on a paper. I will give you a book. I will give the book to every single one of you. You are buying my book, okay? Take it like this way. This is the this way, right? This is the this way, right? You are buying my book. So are you interested in my book? Use this symbol, right? I'm going to give you love, right? You'll have to help me. It seems like you are helping me. Obviously, you are helping me, right? You are buying my book. I'm giving you my book. And listen, donation is not enough. You will have to make love connection, emotional connection with me. This is very, 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 very compulsory. After all, I'm doing this all just for this, right? So you will have to make emotional connection with me and all, and we'll have to sing together, we'll have to dance together and all that, and all, and all that. I think I'm not forgetting anything. If I'm forgetting, I will tell it to another audio. Bye, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye, tata.